Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my GP Studio February planner subscription box unboxing for you guys. So as usual, I'm just going to open it up and pull everything out. So there you can see an overview. I have seen sneak peeks of this and it's very bright and graphic and sort of retro, so not really my style, but I'm going to pull everything out and show you guys. So the first thing that caught my eye was this pen, and I do really like this. It's pink and silver and it's got the pink gems in the barrel, which is really pretty. It is just a regular black ballpoint. Then we have the TN insert, which I do actually really like. Those colours are really pretty, and I like the girl with her purple hair. And here are the quote cards. So I'm just not a big fan of this floral print. I don't know, it's just really spiky and I don't know. So live for the moments you can't put into words. Got that Friday feeling. Okay, so I don't mind some of these. That one's nice. It's just not super my style. I know a lot of people are really excited about this month's box. And the thing with the subscription box is you can never please everybody. So 6 designs, 2 of each as usual. So like, don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. This doesn't suit me. That is just going to happen with mystery anything really. There's going to be things that you don't always like, and I am absolutely fine with that. I'm still staying subscribed. Next we have the sticky notes. They're pretty cute. So it's like a cloud raining like sprinkles. It's really fun. And then this looks like a greeting card. So there's an envelope in there, and then just a postcard, and it's just blank on the back, so you can write a little note to somebody. That's pretty cute. That will appeal to those of you who have pen pals. Next up we have the die cuts. I really like that backing paper. Okay, so I really like the pen and I like the little TN, but the others I'm not fussed on. Again, they are fine. There's nothing wrong with them. The quality is absolutely phenomenal as usual, but it's just not my style. Next, we have the sticker kit. So we have some headers and our smaller decorative boxes and flags, glitter headers and functional deco sheet, another functional page, some headers and some boxes and flags, washi strips, small heart checklists and meal little things, headers and icons, some more decorative boxes and quarter boxes, and divider tab stickers. Then we have the sticker album. Oh, I like the inside. Well, that's really pretty on the inside, isn't it? I like that bokeh effect. It's really pretty. Then we have the washi. So it's like a purple graphic sort of gemstone effect. Okay, next we have the papers. So this is the first sheet. This is pink and orange floral. The reverse side is this sort of watercolor spot, which I actually really do like this. 2 of those, and then we have like a minty and hot pink floral. And then got like a holographic sort of bubble. Not actually holographic, but it's got that sort of colors on it. And then this more blue floral with that really pretty bokeh effect on the reverse side. That's really nice. Oh, the vellum's cool this month. So it's like a water marbled sort of pink and blue effect. That's really pretty. And then the acetate. Oh, there's 2 sheets of acetate. Oh, was that deliberate? Did everyone get 2? Or did I get 2 stuck together? They're pretty. Like clouds with rain coming out of them. Oh, cool. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to keep, if any. I do like a couple of papers. I like the vellum. I like the TN insert. And I really like that pen. But anyway, like I said, not to my taste, but I'm sure a lot of you would absolutely love this month's kit. In saying that, like I said, everything is beautiful quality as usual, and I'm really impressed with everything that's included. Lots of pretty things. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.